Because they're so good to my babies here, and they're so knowledgeable and so professional. I just feel at home.
Dogs, raise border collies, and we train our own dogs, raise our own dogs, and Dr. Skipworth does all of our vet work for us, helps us with our parasites and anything like that we have, and then also with some injuries that we have. Sometimes we get a dog stepped on or injured somewhere or other. The dogs that he's worked on has all come back, and well, I've had 3, and they've all came back and went back to work, doing the job, and working cattle.
Murphy or Reno, but I brought them both, but it was only Murphy, and Murphy got sick in the car. I was crying. Frank had the girls come out and clean my car out. He called me at 11:30 that night, and he was here with Murphy. And before I left, he said, "April, I got this. He's gonna be okay."
He actually swallowed part of a nylobone at 4 months old and had to have exploratory abdominal surgery. Dr. Skipworth was wonderful throughout the whole process. Super helpful.
We were very impressed that his secretary Rhonda had been with him for years, and his wife Renee worked here, and now their daughter Lauren works here. For him, and dealing with him and knowing, you know, how much we care about our Frenchies and not wanting to ever give up on one. If we have one that's a fighter, he'll fight right along with them.
That's
you know,
awesome.
whatever it takes.
That's awesome.
And so that's exactly what you want when you're looking for someone to take care of your furry family, is someone who's going to do whatever it takes, you know, to make sure that you have a happy and healthy puppy.
At age 6, he was diagnosed with Cushing's disease, and they recommend doing blood work before procedures. So he came in just to get his teeth cleaned, and thanks to the blood work and them recommending that, we found out he had Cushing's disease.
Awesome.
Sometimes I just call and don't necessarily need to come in, but I have had to come in late in the middle of the night, after hours. They're very accommodating. They always help me with my dogs. They, like I said, they call and check up on me. Whatever I need, you know, it's like an extended family for me. I've been coming for so long, you know.
And they are super. I've moved to Lexington, still brought my pets here to Dr. Skipworth, and this is where I trust my dogs, and I won't take them anywhere else. And our special dog is Lance. He's a service dog for my daughter. She has type 1 diabetes, so he alerts her to Emma's highs and lows. So it's very important that he has provided the best care possible, and they are super with him. Yeah, always follow up, have my dog's teeth cleaned, you know, and they call me the next day to make sure that they're doing okay after.
If you got a problem and it's 10 o'clock at night, he's not going to be mad and irritated when you call. He's going to be saying, "How can I help you, and what do we do? I'll meet you at the clinic, or do you need me to come to your house, or you know, what do we do to fix it?"
That's great.
And I remember Kendra even cried with me, but they made a natural situation, the best that it could be. And as I was walking out to the front desk, the lights were dimmed and there was a white candle burning, and it was so peaceful, and there was a little note there out of respect for one of the animals going to Rainbow Heaven. We've asked for quietness here, and that was a very special touch.